Hi guys, my name's Amada. I'm a computer engineering student in UK, and today I'm going to show you the second part of my series of video related to the single linked list in Java, which is also part of the data structures series videos. So as we saw in the last video, we can create a data structure called single linked list using nodes and connecting them, linking them. In this second part of this series, we are going to see how can we add an element to the end of the linked list. So the idea is basically, once we have created our linked list, if we want to add an element to the end to the list, we just have to create a new node, which is composed by a data and indicator, a pointer, and move the tail to this new, add the node obviously, and then move the tail to the last of the single list. As we can see in the picture, the idea is just as simple as that. So let's see how we can code that. So if we go back to the last code, the code we wrote in the last video, which is basically our created single linked list and the class, the node class, which contains the parameters and the constructor of the node, and we are going to add method. This case is a public static method which returns nothing, and it's gonna be called add, and it has as parameters, it take as parameter a node. What this function is going to do is that it's going to create the new node, and it's going to locate it in the next step after the tail, which was the last node in our code, and then we're just going to move the tail to the last place of our single linked list, and that's it. As simple as that. Then, in order to can visualize our changes, we are going to add a system out println line in our main method, which basically is gonna say, it's gonna show in console the message append a new node name to the end of the single list. Then we are going to call our method add, which is going to take as argument the new node, which is going to take as argument the data e and the pointer null. And that's it. We're going to debug our code. Oh, sorry about that. My antivirus is dealing with Java. We're going to change the name of the class because we don't want to confuse with the last class, the last video. And let's make it run. Oh, sorry. Once I change it, the name of the class, I have to change as well the name of the file. Once we have done that, can try again to run our code. And we are going to run our Java code, and that's it. As you can see, we have added the letter E to our single linked list. This is a very useful tool when we are dealing with data structures. And that's all. Thank you so much. Please like the video if you like it, comment and subscribe. See you later.